Namaste Mitro, Kem Cho, Majama. Welcome back to my channel Riddhi Nagda. And today I am here in Udaipur and I'm going to give you all a hotel tour of the most beautiful hotel I've ever stayed in, Hotel Jagat Niwas Palace Hotel. It is so beautiful that even I had to deck up before shooting this video. So come with me. So behind me is the Lal Ghat and very near to Lal Ghat is our Jagat Niwas Palace Hotel. Look at the view first and then let's go in. So very near to Mantra Hostel. This is the entry of Jagat Niwas Palace. The first thing you will notice is the white architecture and this beautiful carving and all you will see. And this is the main entrance, you can see. On your right is these beautiful chairs and this side is the reception. Then you come in the common area. Look at these beautiful paintings, the beautiful chairs. And that's me. Next you will see this beautiful courtyard. One thing which is a very common feature you'll realize is that if it's a real Haveli, there will always be, something related to their goddesses in the premises of the courtyard, like Kuldevi Mandir, Ganpati Mandir, always there in that. So if you see over here also, there is their Kuldevi Mandir. So this was said to be Jagat Niwas Sir's palace, who used to be one of the brothers of one of the kings who used to live in Udaipur. I am bad in history, but this is a real palace. Best part about this Haveli, it's right below City Palace. Like behind this Haveli is the main entrance of City Palace. I'll show you all that also. So after seeing the Kuldevi, you can see this is the beautiful courtyard. The Mewar Rajputs were said to be Suryavanshi. They used to believe in the sun and its energy, and that's why you can see so much of sun, sun god made everywhere. So there's one more courtyard over here. They're doing a little bit of repair work, please mind it. But then there is Tulsi Ji, which is very auspicious in Hindu. People pray at Tulsi Ji. And when you see ahead, look at all that. And the best part is this. So there's a small library over here, and there's a sitting arrangement, and this Jarukha. Imagine sitting here with that view. So when you come from here, you'll see these private areas which are still reserved for the hukum or basically the royal family. Even the washrooms over here are so beautiful and royal with all those ancient type of doors and mirror work, and these washrooms smell so heavenly and so royal. Now let's go up and see other parts of the Haveli. As you all saw, that was the courtyard. This is the first floor. Look at the beautiful nooks and corners everywhere. Now let's do a room tour before we move ahead. Let's go in. So when you enter, first you'll see a nice TV. यहाँ पे ये फ्रिज भी है, tea, coffee, a nice plant. Oh my god, a royal sitting which is now full with our bags, but ठीक है. Look at that beauty. And this is our room. so pretty, right? That's an extra bed for us because we are traveling, three of us. Look at this wardrobe section. A nice full length mirror. Oh my god, look at that details. And now the final thing, the washroom. Oh my god, look at that. So that's the shower room. I mean, personally, guys, I cannot complain. This is what royal feels like. And that, my friends, over there is the Jaroka restaurant in front of you. As you all saw, that was my room. Let's go to the restaurant now. Wasn't that pretty? And I'm sure you all have seen a lot of photos at this Jarokas, basically this arch. People sitting in beautiful dresses, gowns, and everything. I'll show you all that exact location if you all want to come. So, guys, this is the restaurant Jaroka Jagat Niwas Palace, and this is that location. Look at that. Imagine sitting over there and clicking your photos. But yeah, you need a table booking. Please book in at least a week in advance because they are quite full. They have more such beautiful corners. See the breakfast spread. There is fresh juice, some fresh fruits. Continental breakfast, some cookies, cold slow sandwich, confectionery items, gujia, dahi, there's chole bhature, aloo paratha, upma, baked beans, porridge, pancake, sausage, or eggs. So one day, instead of chole bhature, there was idli sambar. One day there was puri bhaji. Today it's chole bhature. Then instead of aloo paratha, one day it was gobi paratha. One day it was paneer paratha. So that's very nice. They have a nice variety of coffees also. They have cappuccino, latte, espresso, americano. They have masala tea and all also. Hot milk, cold milk, Bonvita. So yeah, and apart from that, they have, you can order some egg of your choice also. That doesn't matter to me because I'm a vegetarian. But yeah, this is a view of my breakfast. And we've taken the lift and come on the rooftop. Look at this beautiful pool. Isn't it pretty? Wait, I'll put in some clip of me enjoying in the pool. So guys, hotel में एक बहुत मस्त plunge pool है. You can enjoy a nice sunset while taking a nice dip. The lake and this beautiful pool. What say? बहुत सुंदर है ना? And there's a nice sunbed and everything. And look at that view. And I'll show you all the restaurant Chandni, which is known for nighttime dinner, rooftop restaurants, like one of the most famous restaurants. Imagine y'all are sitting at such a table, looking at the beautiful Lake Pichola and everything. Pretty, right? So if you see, there's a lot of sitting arrangement, and this is a beautiful view of Lake Pichola over here. And as promised, I will show you all the city palace, which is that. This guy's city palace is this near. So the Jaroka you see over here, this little one, that's the start of the city palace. So when you see this particular hotel over here, that's Lake Pichola Hotel, where Upre restaurant is there. There's a beautiful boating going on over here, and that is Taj Palace Hotel. Sorry, Taj Lake Palace Hotel. Yes. So guys, did you all see the beautiful Jagat Niwas Palace Hotel? It's pretty, right? I told you. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Riddhi Nagda. Until then, goodbye and thank you. And enjoy this beautiful view.